Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is access your Instagram app on your mobile phone and tap on this profile icon in the bottom right. Then you will be able to access your profile. All you have to do is, here in the section, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon on bottom right. Now tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on this option of settings and privacy. Now in the your account section, tap on this account center. Here in this section, you can check out your profiles by tapping on this and check out how many profiles is connected. Other than that, you can simply choose to disconnect them as well before removing your account. And tap on this option of personal details. And this option of account ownership and control in the bottom section. Now go ahead, tap on this option of deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram account. Choose delete account, continue, and now choose a reason. Tap on this continue. Now again tap on this continue option, and now you will have to enter your password of your Instagram account that you created while creating your account itself. And now tap on the continue and you're good to go. You will be able to simply delete your Instagram account, aka remove it, just like that, easily. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.